Sons of Winter, a poem from the upcoming book When You Get Older, written and narrated by Gabriel Gaiusbayodr. Parents hold the torch, but life is an avalanche, unpredictable and often cold. My parents froze apart, could say their love was buried under the snow and the mountain. Your father raised the torch. Your uncles carried the mountain. I once believed this natural disaster was God giving my family to winter, or this ice age of an existence was hell freezing above us. So maybe I am a shallow stream to believe this glacier melts. But new life does feel